Hi guys, today I have completed my e-commerce website of the class for a Pakistani brand and PNC. Now I'm showing you the HTML code. You're seeing the HTML code main header, and then we have a flash sale, site icons, announcement bar, and then we have a hero section, and then we are seeing the HTML code, cards, top products. Now I'm showing the CSS code, top bar, logo, and then we also had icons here section, and then also we have the pop-up. This is pop-ups. Okay, now I'm showing you the website. Men's postkey, lawn, cotton, shawl, women, flash sale. This is the hero section. Top products. Add to cart. This function, and we also add the pop-ups, and then also we add blog, and also we add the reviews section, and then we add the footer section. We also add the floating WhatsApp icon.